Boss.
Right, Mr. Bundu. My name is George. Don't call me boss. Just George, please.
No, but I see you. You are a boss.
I see what you see. Just call me George, please.
Alright, me call you George, me boss.
I told you, no boss.
Oh, yes. No boss.
So tell me, what experience have you got?
Oh, me. Me have all the experience, me boss.
I told you, no boss.
Oh, sorry. I forget.
Okay, it's fine. So, what kind of job do you do?
Me work in farm, me boss. Me work with farm Tonde.
And what did you do?
Me milk a cow, clean a pig, take care of sheep, goats and dog.
And what else?
Me also work in mine.
And what did you do?
Me first work as a cook. Me go 6 feet underground.
6 feet underground. What did you do?
Me dig big stone like this.
That big.
Yes,
Okay, so you also cook.
yes, me good cook, me last. Oh, sorry, Mr. George.
Mr. Bundu, you're an interesting man. But unfortunately, I've got nothing available right now. Look, sometimes my clients they need services of a cook. But if something like that happens, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
At the moment, I'm looking for salespeople.
Me can also say.
So you got sales experience?
Yes, Mr. George. Me do all jobs. Me also sell mangoes, guava, berries, avocado, nanomero.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I've got these balls. If you can sell them, I'll give you 15% of each ball you sell.
Yes, me can sell everything. Me can sell your boys.
Okay, they're not my balls. They're my customers' balls.
Alright.
Thank you, Mr. Bundu, for your time.
Thank you, Mr. George.
Here's the price list.
Alright.
There you go. I wish you all the best. You need help, please.
Yeah.
Ina, why don't you just read Mr. Bundu?
Alright, Mr. George, yeah.
Bye-bye.
I want to save all this box. Let's send this box. Get the work.
Bye-bye.
Boss. Direct naar die boss.
Can you please show me how it works? Are you guys selling them?
Yes!
So would you please demonstrate to me how they work?
Yes!
I'm impressed, hey?
Vatikadzi vanji ndikale vachikurivudzisa uri ni sapota nga nḓilaḓe ngauri dzi filimu ri vhona mahala kha YouTube. Zwino ri khombela vhoṱhe vhane vha nga kona u ri tikedza vha ri sapote nga u joina channel ya Tsho TV sa dzimembara. Membership ndi R599 fhedzi nga ṅwedzi. U joina zwivhi zwa dina vha tou puṱedza bhathene ya join vha isa phanḓa. Vha tshi tou joina fhedzi vha mbo ḓi wana betsho yo sumbedza uri vhone vha mutikedzi washu. Betsho ya nekheyi sa membara video dzo no bva nga Ḽavhuṱanu vhone vha ḓo thoma dzi vhona nga Ḽavhuṋa ngauri vha mutikedzi washu. Tshipikwa tshihulwane ndi u ri thusa uri ri kone u isa phanḓa no ita dzi fiḽimu dzine vhone vha dzi funa. Musidzana wa haya ha vhipfi vhathu welee kha vha ri sapote ndi khou tou humbela.